The next panel we have here in our Develop module is the Collections panel. So go ahead and expand the Collections panel. This panel should be familiar to you since we've worked with it quite a few times now. The Collection panel in Develop mode allows us to quickly navigate through any collections we've created. So watch what happens when I click on any other collection. For example, I'll click on BMW. You can see the thumbnails at the bottom of our interface change to the contents of the collection we just clicked on. This makes navigating through our images much easier. We can even select multiple collections by holding the Command key and clicking on any additional collections we want to include. So I've clicked on BMW, Mercedes, and I'll click on Porsche. So these are all the cars in our catalog. Now, if we wanted to load any one of these thumbnails in our development module in the preview area, just go ahead and click on it and it'll pull it up. And similar to the library module, if you want to add or remove collections, you can either use the plus sign to add or the minus sign to remove. So there's really nothing new there, and they should all be familiar to you.